Look at my children. Well, that's a lot, Forky. How are you going to take care of them? Welcome to Sammie's Toy Reviews. Hi, everyone. Today I got this Toy Story FORKY Creativity Set. Includes pipe cleaners, wax sticks, foam sheets, popsicle sticks, foam stickers, Forky body pom-poms, dough, and a sheriff badge, and googly eyes, and a glue stick. Wow, this is awesome. I can't wait to build this. Wow! Here's the instructions. And here's the set. Let's build Forky. First, let's take up the eyes. A set of this eyes. Whoa. Never knew that it was so easy to make. Whoa. Here's Forky's eyes. Now the eyebrow. Let's take out one. Then got one. Now let's put the eyebrows on. There. Our eyebrow. Now we need to put the mouth. Let's build the mouth. Let's go and put the mouth on. How does it look so far? If I'm doing good, please give a thumbs up. Let's put on the hands. Let's do the dough and the feet. Look how cool it is. Forky, I have a surprise for you. Whoa! I have my own Forky family. Sammie, you're so sweet. You're welcome. Now you are going to go with your Forky family. Let's now make our ducky and bunny. Take out the bunny ears. To make it stick. It's a little bunny. forget the eyes, right? Can't forget the eyes. So, whoa. Here's Bunny now. Now let's do the ducky. Here's Ducky and Bunny. Oh, do they look so cute together? Let's do the sheriff's badge. You can write your own name. How cool is that? Wow, that looks amazing. Since this is mine, I'm gonna write my name on it. There. Here's my name. Now he'll always stay with me. Let's build Buzz Lightyear. Here's Buzz Lightyear. You can stick him anywhere. But for now, let's leave him like this. Look! How cool is this set? I can't wait to play with it. Mommy, do you want to play?
Yes, Sam.
Come on. I'll be Forky, you'll be Ducky and Bunny.
Hi, Forky. It's so nice to meet you.
Yeah, and look at my family.
Wow, you got a big family there.
Yeah, and they're all emotion.
Really?
Yeah, look. This one is sad. This is a surprised face. This is a happy face. This is happy face, and this is a odd face.
Ooh, cool. Nice to meet you, guys. I am Bunny.
Hello, Bunny.
Yes, and here is Ducky.
Hi, Ducky. Buzz Lightyear coming to infinity and beyond. Whoa, you have a lot of family, Forky. I know, it's a lot. If you like Sammie's toy reviews, don't forget to give a like and a subscribe. Bye!